How to add credit or debit card on Temu website. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and open up the site temu.com. You need to make sure that you are logged into a specific Temu account. Once you are in here, click on your profile at the top right. Head over to settings. Move into your payment methods. Well, the option of add a credit or debit card will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it. And then you can simply enter the card number of your debit or credit card. Enter the expiration date and the CVV number. Once you have entered all of the details, tap on add your card at the bottom. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can add credit or debit card on Temu website. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching till the end.